Can you say hi, Grammy? Hi, Grammy. Look at my big boy bed. Huh. You want to give kisses? Yeah. Yeah. No poking the screen. Can you say hi, Great Grammy? Hi. What do you think? Give me the wink. Say hi. Hi. Nope. Say hi. See, look at, I'm in my big boy bed. You want the passy back? Okay. Hey, can you show Grandma how you say Dada? Say Dada. Say Grammy. Say Grammy. I can't go back much further. I'm going to fall over. Oh no! Stop poking the screen. Hey, say hi, Grammy. Is that an airplane? Is that an airplane? Yay, airplane! Yay, airplane! Oh, we fell. You want to show Great Grammy your room? Say, oh, here's my monkey rug and my giraffe that you got me for Christmas. We haven't quite figured out it goes part of a train. Oh, but we did figure out the train thing. Come here, bud. Show Great Grandma that. Remember how to put it on? How do you turn that on? How do you turn it on, bud? Remember? You gotta turn it back on. You know how to turn it on. What? Say I love you. Hey, I know you can say it. You said it earlier. You're going to put him back on the shelf? Cole. Cole Scott. Cole Scott McElroy. Psst. Yay, bye-bye, Binky. Hi. Hi. You wave? You gotta drop the sunglasses to wave, silly. Say hi. Hi.
Yeah.
Give me 5?
Yeah.
Can you give me 5?
Yeah.
Give me 5.
Yeah.
Da. Give me 5.
Yeah.
Give me 5. Where are you going? Give me 5. Give me 5. Yay! Give me 5. Yay! Good boy.
Yeah.
Can Can you say, I love you? Oh, bless you. Can you say, I love you? Nope.
Yeah.
What are you putting that back in your mouth for? It's not bedtime. No thanks, bud. Okay. Can you wave bye-bye? Say night-night, Grams? Night-night. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yay, good boy, Cole. Good night.